I'm Parna Ganesh and you're welcome to JoyGeeks. On this channel I create content on beauty and wellness, and today is really special because I have my beautiful friend Akshiti. She's a really graceful Odissi dancer and has been doing it for
7 years.
7 years and really working hard on it. And it's so much pleasure to watch her on stage. And she just happened to be visiting Bombay, so we just decided to do an impromptu video where she would teach you guys how to do makeup the professional way for stage that will really last as a tattoo on your face. So all of you who always wondered what products to use, how do you blend it, what are the steps, wait and watch. Shall we?
Yes.
Let's go. How to do makeup the classical dance way.
This is my sweet Akshiti setting her makeup with her foundation. This is RCMA in the shade Shinto 2. Just using her fingers to blend and melt that makeup on her face. And then that's the Sephora Correct and Conceal palette. I will leave the links and product details in the description box below. And of course, it's so much fun just annoying her and just goofing around with Akshiti.
क्या काली पोती है Actually, go a long way back. I used to study for a very brief while at Nrityagram just for 2 years, and she came in when I was there, and it's been so beautiful to watch how she has completely transformed and
Transformed.
Yeah. I love to watch her on stage now. I feel
Very
all our hard work and all that perseverance has paid off. Yeah. And it's amazing how she doesn't use any applicators. She's doing everything just with her clean fingers. And it's remarkable that dancers, when they tour around so many cities in so many countries, they are very self-equipped with their art design and with all the makeup that they do. Let's see a sundar chehra. Okay, so she's using this loose powder. This is from Streetwear.
Akshiti is a brilliant example of chota packet bada dhamaka, because when you see her on stage and her projection and her stance on stage, you know how powerful she looks.
So it's interesting that the kind of makeup that they do really lasts them through the whole 2 hours, 1.5 hours of performance, while just sweating away and they're quickly changing costumes perhaps, and it just stays through that. Yeah. And for stage, I guess it needs to be a little stark and a little stronger and not completely like a natural look. So this is a special video
Very
just for you guys. Very special.
very special. आंखों का काजल लगाऊंगी
तब डिस्टर्ब ना कर.
तब जैसे मैं थोड़ा सा
अच्छा तब देख. Next.
Don't think I don't notice all these things.
So what she's doing is she's taking this bindi. She's taking this bindi and she wants to make a black circle around it. Wah, wah, star, wah. Maybelline Colossal Kajal is what she's using to make the winged line. Achha, this was the time you said not to disturb you.
Yes.
Was it?
Correct. आप इतना अभिनय मत करो.
Okay, I understand.
Can see inside somebody's doing it.
What she did was just giving it an outline so that now she will fill it in with
Shringar
Kajal, right? So you can use any pointed tipped brush.
Akshiti has so beautifully managed and mastered the art of the wing liner, I tell you. Just look at her going at it effortlessly and so smoothly, making her doe eye so much more beautiful and accentuating it.
Then you take this, because while you are performing, make sure that it's not bleeding, so you take out the extra.
So when she dabs it with the tissue, she's saying the excess comes off, so it actually is now like a tattoo on your eye.
Yes.
So it won't come off when you dance and you sweat.
It won't bleed. Yeah.
Super. Nice technique. So see, this side she has done this, and show the other side. This side not yet done. So it takes you how long to do your makeup?
With the costumes and jewelry and everything, 3.5 hours.
Whoa! So because Akshati was around me and I kind of had the dancer vibe around me, I kind of wore the wing liner, which I don't normally do.
And she looks pretty, isn't it?
But it's not something I'm very used to. Akshati said it's okay, it's looking fine. So I just said, alright, let's wear the wing liner and do the video. Has it ever happened that you do the wing liner and one doesn't match with the other one? I think that's very common
it happens.
issues.
So that's why my teachers, they say that you should do left first.
Oh, okay.
And then do right.
Because your right hand is easier on the left side.
So whatever the shape comes on left side, it's easier to follow on the right than doing right. And
she's using the eyebrow pencil that she has. You can use anything that you want. This is Diana of London. So you extend it all the way outside. My shorts have 27 shorts by the skin. Wow, look at that. The whole, how she looked like a simpleton when she just started off. It's transformed already.
has it?
Is it using the eyeshadow palette from Estee Lauder? These are the shades. You can use any palette that has these neutral shades.
Yes.
Okay. So don't you have to do this before you put your eyeliner?
No, when always this doesn't sit on the.
Oh, so she's saying if you put eyeshadow first, the Shringar Kajal doesn't really sit well. So she's applying eyeshadow later.
There, I finally zoomed you guys in to show you how beautiful her eyes look. She has just used a simple applicator and 2 eyeshadow colors, and she's got this effect out of it, and then she's going on with the white eyeliner to really highlight her brow. That section of the makeup being really important for dancers because their eyes really need to kind of get highlighted. And then this is the traditional way of doing the bindi for ODC dancers. The white lines that you see around the bindi, that is meant to represent the sun's rays as far as I know.
Okay, so this is the NYX Blush in the shade Peach. Bajwa. So you apply a darker shade of the lip liner?
Yes.
Okay.
For the stage, we do wear maroon color.
Yeah, it's not her favorite. She normally doesn't apply makeup, but for stage, she needs to do it perfectly. Wow. How lovely it is.
I guess nothing better than just checking yourself out after a fully done face and being pleased with all the techniques and how beautifully it's blended out.
So this is actually his complete makeup look. She's not in costume right now and her headgear and all is not in place with the jewelry. I will insert pictures to show you how beautiful the whole look comes about. I guess this is specifically for ODC. But I guess the base and everything else remains the same. If you're interested in how to do Bharatnatyam or how to do other dance forms, makeup especially, you should let me know. I will definitely find more beautiful dancers like her and do a collab and get you how to do the classical dance makeup. Thank you so much, Akshati. This was so much fun. I hope you guys like this video and hit the like button.
Please do it. Please, please, please do it.
hit the like button if you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Hit on the notification bell. Signing off for now. See you. Bye. Okay, Lana, should show some postures. Let's see you with wigs up.